Good morning, everybody. This is Bradley. I'm here in Van Wert. Look at this, folks. See, the flashing lights are going off because you can go, buddy. Oh, okay, he's letting me go. Yeah, we got some damage here in town, though. Actually, yeah, some parts of town is without power. So I just want to show you the. Yep, I'm here in Van Wert. I'm just looking at. I am a trained weather spotter. I'm just getting some updates about from today's storm. Yeah, some parts of town was without power. Yeah, see out there in the distance, you can't see anything because the power is out because of today's storm. Sorry, that's just my Van Wert County Public Safety Radio.
Yes, advice. They do not have any hands available at the moment. If you can get a TX number for her, they will contact her when they have someone free. Okay, March
2. See, look, folks, you can see it's a little bit pitch black out here because of the